What is good? My name is Spag Heddy and this is my masterclass for Soundteams. For those who don't know me, I am a dubstep producer. I have been producing as Spag Heddy since 2010-11 and I've been touring since about 2017. I've toured all over the world, mostly in the United States and Canada, but I've also done tours in Australia and New Zealand, China, all over Europe. I've released on labels like Never Say Die, Monster Cat, Disciple, Hexagon, Mad Decent, Firepower, Play Me, and many more. Lots of festivals too, Tomorrowland, EDC Vegas a few times, EDC Mexico, EDC Orlando. So yeah, welcome to my masterclass. You will learn how to get an idea written down quickly, how to set up an arrangement fast and keep that momentum going so that you actually get a track done in a short amount of time, which is a struggle for all of us. Yeah, log into Soundteams and learn all the extra spicy production sauce with me.